Hello dear students, today I am going to start your practical session which is still now has not been done. Today in the home science, the practical which you have to do in that form, the practical number 1. As you have prepared the diet in the previous class 11, like that way here you have to prepare the diet chart according to the different age group. In the first time you have to prepare the diet which will be the modification for the normal diet to soft diet for the elderly person. As you know that the elderly person doesn't eat the more spicy and the food which is containing more food, like that way, that high fat containing food. So in that case what you have to do, you have to make a little bit modification on the diet. The diet will be less spicy. In that diet there will be roughage more, as because when we are restricting the carbohydrate in their diet, on that time they have to fill the satiety value in their diet. So whenever we are making the diet plan, on that time we have to keep the points, that thing in our mind. When we are making a diet plan, on that time first of all we have to select our age group. The age group, as I have told you here, the elderly person, so age group must be below the 60 years. It can be the 62 years. Now the weight you know that according to the BMI calculation, the weight will be according to the height. If the person's height is nearly 150 centimeter, means it is 5 feet, then the height will be standard the 50 kilo. And the activity which is in generally we know that the old age person after the retirement, they always remain in the home and they take rest from their job. So if they are working in the moderate level before the retirement, when they get retired, they just lead the life that is known as the sedentary lifestyle, and that will be in the activity. So when you know that a person is according to the age group is 62, the weight is 50, which is according to the BMI normal, and the activity is sedentary. So the diet concept is the low calorie diet, which is high, not spicy. It will be less spicy, less oil containing, but more nutritious food in the, like the vegetables, salad and the fruits in the diet. Next point is the food habit. Means before planning any diet, we have to know that whether that patient or the person of whom you are making the diet plan is vegetarian or non-vegetarian or pure vegetarian. Like that, the data which you will collect for the practical, you will write down the food habit. Means if it is the person is vegetarian, you will write down vegetarian. Next group, that is the income group. What we mean by the word income group? Income group means the persons of whom you are making the diet plan. You have to know that whether that person is belonging to the high income group or moderate group or in the low income group, because depending on the income group, the food habit depends large. Like when we are making a plan for a high income group, on that time we can make the modification on the diet from the mutton to the chicken or anything else which is not the price is not the value for that person. But when we are making a plan for a low income group profile, on that time without chicken we have to make the diet for that person from the mutton. The modification will be to the egg or in the soybean. So we have to collect the data that in which income group that person is belongings. Next, after that, the points to be considered means when we are making the plan of that person, we have to know some points, or we have to collect some that data that when the person is sedentary lifestyle belongings, that person is having any geriatric problem or not. Means whatever that's known as the geriatric problem, means the old age, when any person moves to the old age, some persons suffer from diabetic, some high blood pressure, means any type of problem which created by the lifestyle and the food habit which throughout the life in the middle age group, that persons and their working lifestyle. So we have to know that the person of whom we are preparing the data. Next, the diet. Next point comes, a very important thing is the diet, that these types of patients diet, the person's diet will be soft and the liquid. Why the diet is soft and liquid more? Because sometimes we have seen that in the geriatric or the old age persons cannot chew properly. So for that reason, and their digestive system is also not in the working condition like before in the middle age group. So in this time we have to make the diet which will be little soft, and also it contains the liquid, so that their kidney filtration will be in the normal stage. So please all of you just note down that whatever I have written in this board, so that you can compare with your practical file which has been given in your book.